What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a GMC Yukon Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2450. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here. And that's going to allow the emergency key to slide out like that. Now if we flip it over, we're going to use this key to pry up on the back. You can kind of see in here there's a little bit of a slot. Just put it in that slot and then pry up like that, and that'll pop it up. And you can pull the back off of there. If we take our key and in either one of these two slots, you can kind of get in there and get under the battery like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure we're installing that with the plus side up like that. Snap the back on, slide the key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.